Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome to Losers Become Winners. Look at this. Goldman Sachs. Yeah, keep on going. It's gotten a little bit closer to that winner circle. It's still not out of the game at 59%, and it is bases loaded. Any out will do. We are going to get out with a net profit. So let's go look at those numbers. And there it is, Goldman Sachs, and here we are. Now, we have a doji with a high hat, also known as a tombstone. What that means is there's a lot of little resistance up here. I can go back in history and figure it out, but you know what? No. You know why? Here's why. $1,998 in profit for the trade. Goldman owes me $900 from previous trades loss. End result is I'm standing on a possibility of $1,000 net profit. And wait for it. Goldman Sachs gets retired to the winner's circle. And 64 losses in a row, 64 losses on the wall. Take one down, pass it around, 63 losses to go. Yay, money in our pocket in the right direction. So let's do it. So we're going to come here. Now I already changed the journal, and I already moved the marker up, but let's go do the ticket. We're going to do the ticket. Why? Because I want the new people to understand that trading is not difficult. I just saw an article from somebody says, my 25 things that I've learned from 25 years of trading. Oh my God. Yeah. In fact, I'm even thinking, I think I should do a special report on that, on 25 agrees and disagrees. We'll come to that in the future. All right, let's go ahead and do this. We gotta do this, and we gotta do that. There it is already. And send the order, bada boom, bada bing. If this baby decides right there at that close, let's stretch that out a little further. Right there at that close is representing 1998. That's what that means. There's our out right there, last bar low. The close was 245.66, and our last bar low is 244. So we're looking at a possibility of about $1 drop. $1 drop on 3 contracts, 50 cents. So it'll be about 150 drop. 150 drop takes us down to about 18, call it 1850 thereabouts. Plus or minus 9, I still end up with 900 net profit. Losers become winners. All right, that said, let's move on. We're going to knock this baby out of the park today because we only got really 2 leaders today. Copart is our next leader up. And here's the thing with Copart is, now why have I not called a basis loaded on Copart? Here's why. It owes $998. It's only up 1,100. It's not a lot of difference, 120 bucks. It can come down all the way down here and hit us out. Now, we are in past our 30, so we are going to go. Let's zoom in. Now I have to rearrange everything, but I do want to zoom in because here's why. I know some of you guys are, yeah, I've been watching the analytics. Some of you guys are watching this on a cell phone, which I have to say, you better have a good screen because I do my best to try to stretch this out. So here's the deal. The deal is that this is what our payback line, and that means that we need to be closing above there to get back our 998. That price right there, that close right there represents the 1,100. That's going to be our stop. Last bar low, last bar low. I'm going to take that profit off the table before the portfolio managers take it. And the portfolio managers take it first, and I'm out of the game. I have said it before. Trading is an open book poker game. You put your money into the ante, you set up your trades against other traders around the world, and the person who has the gall to go and grab their profit win, or might lose, because sometimes there are profit takers who take profits too early and don't let it run and end up with a slew of small wins, and one big loss, boom, their account's gone down to 50% down. We are on the other side of the fence. We are holding out for that buffer, and then we'll go and grab the profit. So let's do the work. Okay, here we got the low is gonna come into 95.95. Isn't that interesting? This is gonna become 95.95 right here. 95.95. And we're gonna move it to today's date, 14th. And we'll say about maybe another week. I doubt it. I really doubt it. I'm pretty sure that probably tomorrow, if this, because look, we have 2 dojis in a row. Actually 3. You have 3 dojis in a row. That means the market is, yeah, it's climbing, but the market is not too sure about this climb. And this here is a real, these 2 together is a real indication that there might be something, right? There might be some resistance at the bottom of this doji, but I don't really care. Why? I'm in profit. I'm in trade profit. I got 998 to overcome, and if this does get out with a net, then we're gonna get this. Remember, Goldman Sachs is already bases loaded. 63 lost leaders. It's gonna happen today or tomorrow. It doesn't matter. When Goldman Sachs reverses, I'm gonna be there to clean up. Now, see Copart, not the same story. Copart gives me a little bit higher buffer, so I can get out above 998. So because 1100, this could be maybe 900 itself. It could happen, which means therefore I'll still be 88 bucks short. But $88 short as opposed to 998. Oh, I'll take that any day. So let's go ahead and do our numbers. We'll go and bring up our journal up to date. There we are. And if you guys caught my video about the data box, you'll understand why I do this. And my nephew Tyke, the Teen Titan trader. Oh, that kid. I am so proud. Do you know what he asked me the other night? Uncle, when can I start trading live? I said, when you got the money to go for it. And he said, how much do I need? I told him, and he says, okay. And I'll leave it at that. I have no idea what that kid's up to, but I do. But we'll see what happens. Okay, there's our marker at 985. Let's go ahead and change the order ticket. Come down here, come over here, put in our order. There we are. There we are. There we are. There we are. And there we are. And it's send away. Done. All right, Apollo fell back. The only thing we can do with Apollo is to go and check if we need to move that stop up, and it's not. It's stuck. It's stuck right there. Nothing to do. Now, there is a possibility, because this did hit the profit zone rules. Remember, exits do not retreat. Once my profit rule has been triggered, I stay in the trade, and I follow that exit rule out. So this got a PZ back on the 13th. So this was this is positive territory, and this is down what, 0.05. Oh my goodness. So if this gets a push up this way, it will qualify for a, now who knows the answer to this one? A day trader's exit. Okay, those who followed me know what a day trader's exit is. Those who don't need to go back and look at a couple of videos in the past where I talked about it. All righty. That said, no change here. Over at the Tigers League, no leaders. If I got no leaders, I don't bother. Done. I'll go check I'll go and adjust the stops offline not to save the time here. So that really pretty much wraps it up for today for our winners and losers of Goldman Sachs. Is bases loaded, any out will do. We're gonna clean up and get down to Red Sweater Guy gets to make his appearance again. All right, with that said, I thank you all for checking it out, and keep on trading and trade profitable. Take care. Bye-bye.